Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the control box assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new control box assembly. The control box assembly is located at the top of the fresh food section. The control box assembly consists of the casing, the housing, and then the control board, and then the temperature sensor. And then we have this thermostat right there, and the door switch, which is also called a light switch. Also, if you turn it around, then you will see the light bulb. If your refrigerator won't start, or there is a problem with the initiation of the defrost cycle, check the control box assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. So this is our control box assembly, and it's held in place by a single 1/4-inch screw in that opening right there. So I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to insert it in there all the way in. I'm going to place it on the 1/4-inch screw, and I'm going to remove it. And then I'm going to slide it forward and down. Next, I'm going to unplug this plug right there. There's a tab here on that side. Press the bottom portion of the tab in and pull it apart. Unplug it, and I'm going to slide it forward so we can take out that the drain nozzle out of the wall. This is the old control box assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so I'm going to bring in a new assembly, and I'm going to insert that drain tube into the drain hole and press it in. I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to plug this in. Make sure it's locked. I'm going to bring up the control panel assembly. All right, so I'm going to push it in all the way, and I'm going to slide in a 1/4-inch screw. We're going to match the hole here at the top, and I'm going to secure it using the 1/4-inch nut driver. All right, and now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.